are here at Camp John Hay. Venice Grand Canal, Lake Balinsasayao. We are here now at Bencab Gallery, SM City, Baguio. That's the place Metro Pines Inn. I'm at Rizal Park in Baguio, and I am in Cebu. I'm here in Lantawan, Guerrero Farm. Hello, I'm Joan of Art. I'm your local guide, level 7. I love to showcase my country. I love to show around places that I've been to and putting some places on the map. Some of them are actually on the map, but still need more information, and show them to friends and to guide other people who would like to be there. I like telling stories, especially about my place, my culture. Right now I'm at Tamawan village here in Baguio City, and these are the bulol, or the rice gods. This is Joan of Arc from Tamawan village.